Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine vinegar at home. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need a clean, wide-mouthed glass jar, some cheesecloth, and a rubber band. Crucially, select a good quality red or white wine. Avoid wines with added sulfites, as these can inhibit the vinegar-making process. Finally, you'll need a mother of vinegar culture, which is the key to transforming wine into delicious vinegar. Now, let's set up your vinegar. In your clean glass jar, combine 1 part mother of vinegar with 3 parts of your chosen wine. For example, if you use 1 cup of mother, add 3 cups of wine. The wide mouth of the jar is important for good air circulation, which is vital for the acetic acid bacteria. Cover the jar's opening with a piece of cheesecloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Patience is key during the fermentation process. Store your jar in a dark, warm location, ideally maintaining a consistent temperature between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid disturbing the jar, as movement can hinder the mother's growth. Allow the mixture to ferment undisturbed for at least 2 to 3 months. You will observe a new mother forming on the surface, indicating successful acetic acid conversion. Once your vinegar has reached the desired acidity, it's time to harvest. Carefully pour the finished vinegar into clean bottles, being sure to leave the mother of vinegar behind in the jar for future batches. For a clearer product, you can strain the vinegar through a coffee filter. Store your delicious homemade wine vinegar in tightly sealed bottles at room temperature and enjoy its rich flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.